Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Thomas Clan. Today it's just me and Scarlett sitting here relaxing, enjoying a beautiful day off from work for me, one of the few that I get. And so I'm still planning and I'm making videos for our planning series that we're making. And since Scarlett's here and Scarlett's bored, I figured that she could be in a little video. So Scarlett, are you excited about the garden this year? Yeah? What's your favorite vegetable?
Celery.
What is it?
Celery.
Celery? Oh yeah? Do you want to grow some celery in the garden this year? Okay. And what's your second favorite vegetable?
Tomato.
Tomatoes? I'm pretty sure we're going to grow some tomatoes. You sure? All right. So, you know what I'm most excited to grow for you this year?
What?
Up at the cabin, we're going to grow pumpkins, so that way we can go pick pumpkins at our house up there. Is that awesome or what? All right. What other things are you excited about this year?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you excited about baby Margaret coming? You are? Me too. Me too. Anything else? What? What else are you excited about?
How
about going to kindergarten after the summer? All right. One more of you guys in school, so I'll be able to shoot these videos in the daytime. And as long as the babies are sleeping, it'll be quiet.
And we're going to Burger King.
And we're going to Burger King? Apparently we're going to go to Burger King. I'm trying to lose weight and you want to go to Burger King. You're killing me. Wow. All right. Well, do you want to say bye to everybody? No. All right, because what you got to do in these videos, you got to say, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Take your hand out. Wave bye.